Come on, Ellen.
Come on, sweetheart. You coming? I'm pushing back up. I'm just go that way.
What do you see? What is it?
I see a dollhouse.
That's yours.
What is that? What is that, unicorn?
I don't know. Come down and see it.
What are you doing down here?
This is all your presents from Santa.
What? A unicorn? A good baby? That's cute, Mickey. Come here. Right there. Baby. Come here. That's a brush. Come here. Barbie.
What?
It's a mirror.
Do you want to know which presents are yours? Which ones?
Unicorn. Naya, you like the unicorn. Mommy, how can you like? Mommy, how did you? Like that?
What's on the ceiling?
I don't think she can see it.
Changing colors.
On the ceiling.
Look at that.
I see. What is that?
This is something. Change purple. It's changed colors, Mommy.
All right.
Got a baby doll.
What is that?
Ready, set, go.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened? Look. Son ate his cookies and milk.
Uh-oh. Why did he eat it?
He's been here. Now to bring trash can over with me.
Whoa!
That's fine.
Play-Doh for princesses!
Yeah. Mama, open it, baby. Mama ain't supposed to be opening presents. Santa Claus sent them to you.
She can't get it open. There you go.
What is that?
All right. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh for princesses?
Play-Doh for princesses.
Turn it around. You'll see it. You'll see it.
Turn around.
Turn around to the front of the
around.
box.
There you go.
Are there Play-Doh?
Mm-mm.
No. I just thought we can play with them.
Yeah, we can play with those. So let me see which one. Let's see. This is to Madeline from Santa.
From Santa? I never heard of this one. Wait
This one says to Madeline from Santa.
Whoa.
Madeline from Santa.
Mom, look! It's Rapunzel!
Yeah.
You want to play these boxes today? Gift boxes?
No.
These?
You want to play these hard boxes?
Yes, she does, because these are hard boxes.
Put candy stuff in them.
You need help?
I think this one is. I think what this one is.
Name.
Well, open it.
Name.
What?
You do like I asked you.
What'd you say?
Trash bag. Uh-oh.
What is it?
Brave.
Mom, look, it's Brave!
I know, I see.
That is the only one, Mom. What is this? What is this one?
Come on.
Baby, I'm in the
Yeah, I'll show you.
register.
Huh?
I'll show you.
I don't know how to do that, Cameron. John can do this job.
Oh, boy,
Please do
hello,
what we-
pretty stuff. Mom.
Oh, that's soap.
All right.
Wow. This is...
Pull it, man. You got to pull it hard.
Pull, baby.
Yeah, rip it. Yep. Pull it. Always pull out. What is it?
Tinkerbell!
Oh, let me see. Wow.
I got Tinkerbell, Mommy!
Good job. And the next one, that silver one right there is yours. That one. Those right there. That silver one says Madeline from Santa.
That one in front of
That
you.
red one says Madeline to
Yeah, I see
Santa.
This one?
Yeah?
Yeah, you can't do it one
And
at a
those
time.
toes right there says Madeline to Santa.
You can't do it one at a time.
Let's see this one.
Pull it.
I hate the one.
Pull it hard. Oh, there you go.
The elves wrapped them real tight, didn't they, Madeline?
What is it?
What is that?
That's an activity.
It's to teach you to write.
Teach you to write. Letters. Numbers.
Numbers? I used to have that one. What is this one? This one.
That's the big one.
I can carry it. I got purple!
Purple what? Ow!
Won't you come up here and watch it?
What is it?
She'll watch Landon.
Purple!
Oh my goodness!
Purple!
Do you like her?
Yeah, I used to have that a long time ago.
Oh, she got a horsey.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. That big one right there is yours too.
This one right here.
No. That's that one beside it.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a little one, Mama.
Oh, is it? Because I think this is a little one.
Let's see what this one is. And Barbies.
A Barbie and what?
And ponies.
Oh my
Another
goodness.
Barbie and them ponies. Bonds on all those ponies.
That's what I really wanted.
Okay, next.
That big one right beside that big one.
This one?
Yeah.
That's yours.
Is that one too?
The big one's Landon's.
Oh,
Is that one heavy?
and I can put it up there.
A what?
A princess bike.
No, I think it's a scooter.
A scooter. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah. That's really favorite one.
That tape sticking to you?
Yeah, I can get it off.
Hurry up.
Mommy, this is really. I put out the mountain.
Yeah.
What is it?
Still your scooter?
That's a scooter. Papa's going to have to put that together.
I used to have that here.
You bet.
a monkey? What is that?
Elmo.
You know, like
You know,
all the
it
stuff
says
had Elmo, all the
Tubby
clothes and stuff that had Elmo on it, they just sit on the
Fizzy
table and
Tub Colors. It changes the water.
That's what I really wanted.
Huh?
I'm
Mom,
gonna
cover up
open
the
now,
light.
Mama.
bottle.
That one and that one.
You see all I know about the Elmo? That's all the thing.
Yeah, those two. Yeah, that one.
Guys, it's Elmo. They found out he was gay.
I got a baby in the unicorn.
Mama, do you want her to open all your stuff?
You got a real story or a made up one? For publicity?
There's a boy, when the boy was
Hurry up.
16 years
Open
old.
those, baby.
That ain't no child.
But he was too, it's underage.
No, it's not.
It is
Not in some
underage.
states. Not in Georgia.
Yeah, the legal to consent in Canada is 14.
Hurry.
Fire alarm's going off.
It's the oven for the biscuit.
Put them in there. You put them in and let you film?
The table is open.
What is it?
It's a princess.
Can I see? Wow.
It's a princess.
I always wanted a princess.
Now do this one. I can't. I don't know.
Santa Claus knows, I bet you. You tell him all this, what you wanted?
A doctor.
No, it's a nurse.
You tell Santa Claus what you wanted?
What's the nurse?
In here.
It's a nurse Barbie?
Uh-huh.
A nurse Barbie.
Yeah.
You asked for that?
Yeah. I always wanted.
How conveniently he left the price tag on it.
Really, John? You had to say that out loud.
Who's that from? Santa?
Yeah.
I didn't see that before.
Santa brought everything.
No, he didn't.
Me and Papa put some under there.
Mom and Daddy put some under there too. Okay, you don't have to take it all off.
Mama, I like it.
You do?
That's what I really wanted. It has a baby with it.
Yeah.
Got a baby with it?
I want to open that.
There. I don't know what all is yours from me and Papa.
What is this?
That's Landon.
I put our names on there.
Okay, well, there's 5,000 gifts under the tree, Mom.
Only 5,000. I wish it was.
What is that one?
I don't, because we'll be here. Like,
This one's the envelope, white envelope's from me, and that one's from David and Robert
okay.
to her.
Where I had it for the back surgery.
Hurry up.
I can't open it.
'Cause-
Open 'em.
This is from me and Papa.
What is it?
Can I open it?
There you go.
Can I open some? Papa feels left out.
No, you don't.
Papa has a gift under the tree, doesn't he?
Papa feels left out. Can Papa open some of your presents?
Nope.
Mama, when are we doing Secret Santa? Well, Bubba's not here.
Well, we didn't pick Bubba anyway.
But Bubba has somebody else.
Who does Bubba have?
I know.
Mom and Daddy.
This one?
Yeah.
But that's not
Open this one